Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present one of the easiest meals you'll ever prepare, my low-carb, easy crock-pot chicken. This is a perfect recipe for meal prepping or when you don't want to fuss in the kitchen all day, but eat something that tastes like you did. Let's get started. Start by pouring 16 ounces of sour cream into a large mixing bowl. Add 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. Now I'll be using a 4.5 ounce can of mild green chilies in my recipe, but you can substitute a chopped green bell pepper if you prefer yours a bit milder. Add 1 packet of granulated chicken bouillon, some chopped green onions, chopped celery, some dried onion flakes, salt, about 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a bit of cayenne pepper, and finally some dried chives. Mix well until everything is blended nicely. We'll be using frozen chicken for our recipe. I'm using thighs here as I think it adds a bit more flavor, but you can use chicken breast if you prefer. Place the chicken in the bottom of your slow cooker. Pour over our sauce mixture. Place the lid on and cook on the low setting for 8 hours or on high for 4 hours. And that's it. When it's done, remove the lid and stir to mix. I like to serve alongside some steamed rice cauliflower, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my low-carb, easy crock-pot chicken. Who says you have to slave in a hot kitchen to enjoy a delicious home-cooked meal? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.